Hey there, if you're anything like me, you've probably heard a lot about YouTube automation and how it can help you grow your channel faster. But let's be real, there's a lot of hype and misinformation out there. That's why in this video, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you the untold truth about YouTube automation. I know you're probably wondering things like, is YouTube automation even legit, or is it just a scam? Can you really grow a channel to 6 figures in revenue using automation? What are the risks involved, and how do you avoid getting your channel banned? What's the real time and money investment required for a successful automation strategy? Well, you're in the right place. I'm going to answer all your burning questions and more. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it takes to build a thriving YouTube channel using automation: the good, the bad, and the ugly. I'll also give you a sneak peek at the specific strategies and tools I use to grow my own channel to over 100,000 subscribers and 6 figures in revenue using automation. So if you're ready to learn the truth and take your YouTube channel to the next level, hit that like button and let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off by defining what we're actually talking about here. YouTube automation isn't about robots taking over your channel, although that would be pretty cool, right? Instead, it's all about streamlining your content creation process using tools and strategies to minimize your personal involvement. Think of it as setting up a well-oiled machine that churns out videos with minimal input from you. For instance, let's say you have a channel about tech reviews. Instead of personally filming every single review, you can use voiceover artists, scriptwriters, and editors to produce the content. All you do is oversee the process and hit publish. Pretty neat, huh? But the question every person has in their mind is, can I make a sustainable income? This is the million-dollar question, literally. The short answer is yes, you can. But, and this is a big but, it's not as easy as some people make it sound. Take the example of a channel called TechZone. It's an automated channel that reviews gadgets. The owner uses freelancers to handle everything from scriptwriting to video editing. With consistent uploads and smart SEO practices, the channel makes around $10,000 a month. Impressive, right? Another great example is Motivation Hub. They use voiceover artists and stock footage to create inspiring content. Over time, they've built a loyal audience and now rake in significant ad revenue and sponsorships. Now, don't get too excited just yet. While some channels do exceptionally well, others struggle to make a few bucks. The key revenue streams are ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even merchandise. But remember, it takes time to build a following and start earning. The real question is it as easy as it sounds? You might be thinking, great, I'll just automate everything and sit back while the money rolls in. Not so fast, my friend. First, you need to pick a niche. This requires research to find out what's trending and what people are interested in. Then, you'll need to hire freelancers or use tools to create content. This involves scriptwriting, voiceovers, video editing, and SEO optimization. It's a lot of work up front. You'll need some cash to get started. Freelancers don't work for free, and good automation tools often come with a price tag. Plus, you need to have a basic understanding of YouTube's algorithm, SEO, and content strategy. Many people think they can just set up an automated channel and forget about it. That's a recipe for disaster. You still need to monitor performance, tweak strategies, and ensure quality content. One of the biggest debates in the world of YouTube automation is quality versus quantity. Should you focus on pumping out as many videos as possible? Or should you spend more time on fewer, high-quality videos? Successful channels find a balance. For example, Brightside posts multiple times a week, but each video is well-researched and polished. They use engaging thumbnails and titles to attract viewers. Engagement is crucial. Automated channels often struggle with this because they lack the personal touch. You can counteract this by responding to comments, conducting polls, and occasionally appearing on camera. YouTube's algorithm is like a fickle friend. Sometimes it's on your side, and other times it's not. The algorithm prioritizes watch time, click-through rates, and viewer engagement. Automated channels can sometimes struggle here because they might lack the personal touch that encourages engagement. Algorithm changes can drastically impact your channel's performance. For instance, if YouTube decides to prioritize longer videos, your short, snappy clips might take a hit. Always stay updated with the latest changes and adapt your strategy accordingly. Getting monetized on YouTube isn't as simple as hitting a certain number of views. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Plus, your content must adhere to YouTube's guidelines. Automated channels often struggle with the latter due to reused content. Beware of copyright issues. Using stock footage and voiceovers doesn't mean you're immune. Always ensure your content is original or properly licensed. There are some ethical and legal aspects to consider as well, like copyright issues. You can't just rip off content from other creators. Use royalty-free music, footage, and images. Sites like Storyblocks and Epidemic Sound are great resources, and try to maintain originality and value. Even if you're automating, try to add a unique twist to your content. Whether it's your style of narration or a specific angle on a topic, originality matters. There are some myths about YouTube automation. Let's debunk them. Like anyone can do it. Sure, anyone can try, but success requires more than just uploading videos. There's a lot to learn: SEO, content strategy, video editing, and more. It's not rocket science, but it does require effort and persistence. Realistic expectations vs. hype. Don't expect overnight success. Building a profitable automated channel takes time. Be patient and keep improving your content. Another myth is it's a passive income source. The idea of passive income is alluring, but it's a bit of a myth. You need to continuously monitor your channel, update old content, respond to comments, and adapt to algorithm changes. It's not a set it and forget it kind of deal. Automation helps, but some tasks still require a human touch, like engaging with your audience and creating unique content. Let's talk about tools. Automation doesn't mean doing everything by hand. There are some popular automation tools and their uses. TubeBuddy is great for keyword research and optimizing your videos. VidIQ is another fantastic tool for SEO and analytics. Hootsuite for scheduling and managing your social media posts. These tools aren't free, but they're worth the investment if you're serious about growing your channel. You have to understand what separates successful automated channels from the rest. Pick a niche you're passionate about and one that has a substantial audience. Research trending topics and see what's working for other creators in your niche. Plan your content in advance. Use a content calendar to keep track of your uploads. Consistency is key to keeping your audience engaged. Every journey has its bumps. Here's how to navigate them. There are some common issues faced by automated channels, like viewer drop-off. If your videos aren't engaging, viewers will leave. Use compelling hooks and keep the content dynamic. Ad revenue fluctuations. Ad rates can vary. Diversify your income streams with sponsorships and affiliate marketing. Here are some tips for maintaining channel growth and engagement. Try to engage with your audience, respond to comments, conduct polls, and ask for feedback. Analyze and adapt. Use analytics to see what's working and what's not. Don't be afraid to change your strategy. Now let's hit you with some hard facts and numbers. Automated channels are on the rise. According to a recent study, channels using automation tools have seen a 25% increase in productivity. Remember, with more players in the game, the competition is fierce. A survey showed that 60% of automated channels reach monetization within a year, compared to 40% of traditional channels. However, they also experience higher fluctuations in monthly earnings. Understanding your audience is crucial. Viewers expect high-quality, engaging content. They don't care if it's automated, as long as it's good. Keep your content valuable and entertaining. Metrics like watch time, click-through rates, and viewer retention are vital. Use them to refine your content strategy. To wrap things up, YouTube automation is a viable way to earn money, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires effort, strategy, and a willingness to adapt. The potential rewards are there, but so are the challenges. As we delve into the world of YouTube automation, several critical insights emerge, shedding light on the reality and potential of this innovative approach to content creation. Automation on YouTube isn't just about cutting corners, it's a strategic approach to scaling content production while maintaining quality. Channels like TechZone and Motivation Hub exemplify how leveraging automation tools and outsourcing tasks can lead to consistent output and audience engagement. While automated channels can generate impressive revenue streams through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, success hinges on more than automation alone. It requires strategic planning, niche selection, and ongoing optimization to maximize monetization opportunities. From algorithm changes to ethical considerations, the landscape of automated YouTube channels presents unique challenges. Staying informed about YouTube's policies, adapting to algorithm updates, and maintaining originality are crucial to long-term success and sustainability. A common dilemma faced by automated channels is striking the right balance between quantity and quality. While frequent uploads can boost visibility, maintaining high-quality content is essential for retaining audience trust and engagement. Success in YouTube automation demands continuous learning and adaptation. Monitoring analytics, experimenting with content formats, and staying abreast of industry trends are essential to staying competitive and responsive to audience preferences. Despite the automated nature of content creation, building genuine connections with your audience remains paramount. Engaging with viewers through comments, community posts, and occasional on-camera appearances humanizes the channel and fosters a loyal community. In essence, while YouTube automation offers exciting opportunities for content creators, it requires a strategic approach, ongoing adaptation, and a commitment to delivering value to your audience. By embracing these insights and integrating them into your content strategy, you can navigate the complexities of automated channels and achieve sustainable growth and success. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your experiences and questions about YouTube automation in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And stay tuned for our next video.